according to this video, you could take an entire pineapple and bake chicken inside of it. I'm gonna give it a try, see does it actually work, and is it really delicious? All right, over here, as you can see, I have an entire pineapple. Now, what they did in their video is they just removed part of the pineapple like this to make room for the chicken. So I'm just gonna do just that, removing the top here, and then I'm just gonna go in, and now we just want to cut out the center of our pineapple because that is now to be stuffed with chicken. So just cut like that. Then I'm gonna grab a large spoon or scooper. Maybe I'll use this, there we go. And let's just scoop this out. Yep, just like that, just breaking right through, making room for our delicious chicken to go right in the center. Check that out. This is now the perfect vessel for us to bake our chicken in, and it has lots of great enzymes that are gonna help break it down. Now, over here I have 2 chicken breasts. We're just gonna slice those right in half and just turn them into some cubes like they did in their video. Now, they did some type of like teriyaki sauce. I'm just gonna do something similar. You know, chicken, the great thing about it is, you know, you could just kind of do it any which way you like. So we're just gonna take our chicken, cut those into some nice cubes, just like that. These are gonna cook and be nice and juicy. You know, baking the pineapple should hopefully result in juicy, juicy chicken. They did some raw rice. I think that's crazy. There's no way it would cook. So I'm gonna start on the bottom here with just some of our cooked rice, beautiful, and then just take your chicken. Now, I guess we'll see how much chicken can bake. You know, this kind of reminds me of like when you'll order a pina colada and it will come inside of a pineapple. You know, I think there's just something really special and novel about enjoying food out of a fruit. Now, I'm just gonna add a little bit of some delicious sauces on here, a little bit of soy sauce. Let's add a little bit of fish sauce right onto there, followed up with a little bit of rice wine vinegar, you know, just all the good things, a little bit of our toasted sesame oil, and now we're gonna bake that in the oven. I'm very curious if this will live up to the hype. And now let's pop this right into the oven. Okay, I mean, I think this should be delicious. My oven's preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake that probably for about 20 minutes or so. Oh boy, look at that. Okay, I mean, it smells incredible. My dogs are now running towards me because they can smell it. Ernie, what do you think of it? You want some chicken? You're licking your chops? Okay, let's close the oven. You guys love going near the oven, and we're gonna give it a try. I mean, it smells incredible. I'm hoping it'll be a little bit fruity. Grab some tongs and let's give our chicken a try. I'm just gonna grab a nice little piece. Ooh, that chicken looks nice and juicy. Let's see, does it taste like pineapple or does it not? Oh wow, that is juicy chicken. Very tender. I think some of the enzymes from the pineapple, and it has a little bit of fruity flavor. I'm not gonna lie, I think this is a delicious way. If you have a pineapple that's going bad, use it like this.